Welcome to another edition of the Benefit Minutes, part of the Educate, Engage, Empower Financial Education program. Through this program, Carpenter Funds Administrative Office is working together with Pensionmark Financial Group to help Nor Cal Carpenter members and their families better understand their benefits and finances. During this video, we will show you how to enroll in the Nor Cal Carpenters 401k plan. Enrolling in the Northern California Carpenters Funds 401k plan is easy. You are eligible to begin saving in the 401k as soon as you begin receiving annuity contributions equal to 3% of your regular income. This usually occurs when you reach third period apprentice status. When you are eligible for the 401k and want to start saving, you just have to complete a form and submit it to your employer's payroll department. Once enrolled in the 401k plan, the same form must be completed anytime you want to make a change to how much you are saving. A new form must also be completed anytime you change employers. The form you need can be downloaded and printed from the Carpenter Funds website under the Forms and Documents tab. You can also get a copy of the form if you visit the CFAO office or call 1-888-547-2054 to have the form mailed to your home address. At first glance, this form can look a little daunting. Let's walk through it section by section. In the first section, write your first name, middle initial, and last name. Then your full Social Security number and birth date. And finally, your current mailing address and your employer's name. Please make sure your information is clear and easy to read. If you have an address change, you can always call the CFAO Benefit Specialist team to update your address in the 401k. No need to recomplete the form for address updates. In Section 2, you must elect the amount per hour you would like withheld from your paycheck. You have the option of electing pre-tax, Roth, or a combination of the two. If you have questions on the differences between the election options, we have another video that tackles the differences between pre-tax and Roth contributions. You can contribute as little as 50 cents per hour or as much allowed for your age. The IRS sets a limit for how much you can save towards retirement each year. If you intend to max out your 401k each year, you may need to update your election using this form each time the IRS increases the limit. Don't worry about remembering these details. The maximum savings amounts are listed right on the form in the Important Notes section. As a friendly reminder, anytime you change employers, you must recomplete this form and submit a new form to your new employer. Your 401k elections do not follow you from employer to employer. There is no open enrollment period for the 401k. You can start and stop and change how much you are saving anytime by completing this form and submitting this form to your employer's payroll department. The very last section that requires your attention is the authorization section. Please sign and date your enrollment form. As a default, the NorCal Carpenter Funds 401k automatically invests you in a target date fund investment matched to your age. This is a fully diversified portfolio, meaning all of your investments are not in one basket and invested in investment instruments that are appropriate for your age and how many years left you have to go until retirement. If you would like to manage your own investments, there's a full menu of mutual fund investment options to choose from. This menu is available online through the John Hancock website. Towards the end of this video, we'll walk you through how to set yourself up for online access so you can manage your 401k and track your investment performance. Once the enrollment form is complete, take the form and submit it to your employer's payroll department. It typically takes 1 to 2 pay periods before you'll see your paycheck deductions. If you do not see your 401k deductions coming out of your paycheck, be sure to follow up with your employer's payroll team. Within a week or two of your first paycheck deduction, you will be able to create an online account for yourself at John Hancock. John Hancock is the record keeper and custodian contracted by the Carpenter Funds Board of Trustees to keep track and manage your 401k assets. You can register for online access using a computer or your cell phone. As part of the registration process, you will be able to create a username and password and make a beneficiary election. If you've never visited the John Hancock website before, click the Register Now button. If you've set yourself up for online access but cannot remember your username or password, click the link to reset your username and password. For the security of your account, John Hancock will request that you verify your last name, social security number, and date of birth. As part of the registration process, you will also be asked to set up a two-factor identification to have a code sent to your email or your cell phone. You'll have to enter that code to gain access to your account. That helps keep your information private and ensure that you are the only person with secure access to your account. To download the app to your cell phone to access your account, scan the QR code on the screen or search John Hancock in your App Store. The John Hancock website is mobile phone friendly. Anything you can do on the website, you can also do on the app. Here are a few key points to remember. Anytime you want to change, start, or stop your 401k paycheck deductions, please recomplete the enrollment form and submit it to your employer's payroll department. If you have a major life event such as marriage, divorce, or a child, be sure to review and update your beneficiary elections. You can update your beneficiaries online through John Hancock or using the John Hancock app. If you change employers, your 401k elections do not follow you. If you want to continue to save in the Nor Cal Carpenters 401k plan, make sure you complete a new enrollment form and submit it to your new employer's payroll department. Enrolling in the 401k plan is up to you. You can make changes to how much you're saving and how that money is invested in your account at any time. Carpenter Funds Administrative Office benefit specialists are here to assist you with enrolling or making changes to your account. The Pensionmark team of experts can help you decide and create a strategy for saving and investing in your 401k plan. Please do not hesitate to reach out to your dedicated teams. This has been another Benefit Minutes video, part of our Educate, Engage, Empower financial education program, brought to you by Carpenter Funds Administrative Office with Pensionmark Financial Group.